Did you know that our brains are wired to respond more strongly to negative experiences and emotions than to positive ones, and our memories are not like fixed recordings but are reconstructed and influenced by our current thoughts, beliefs, and emotions? So here are some crazy and weird psychological facts about ourselves that we must know. 1. People tend to overestimate their abilities and performance in various domains, a cognitive bias known as the Dunning-Kruger effect. 2. The Zeigarnik effect states that unfinished tasks or unresolved situations tend to stay in our memory more vividly than completed ones, causing a mental preoccupation until they are completed. 3. Expressing gratitude has been shown to have a positive impact on mental well-being, leading to increased happiness and reduced stress. 4. The mere presence effect suggests that simply being around others can enhance our performance on certain tasks, known as social facilitation. 5. A phenomenon called choice overload occurs when having too many options to choose from can lead to decision paralysis and decreased satisfaction with the final choice. 6. The primacy effect refers to our tendency to remember information at the beginning of a list or sequence better than information presented in the middle or end. 7. Human memory is highly fallible and susceptible to distortions. Our memories can be influenced by external suggestions, leading to the creation of false memories. 8. Cognitive dissonance occurs when individuals experience psychological discomfort due to holding conflicting beliefs or engaging in behavior that contradicts their values or attitudes. 9. The spotlight effect describes our tendency to overestimate how much attention others pay to our appearance, behavior, or mistakes, leading to self-consciousness and social anxiety. 10. Studies have found that practicing mindfulness meditation can reduce stress, improve focus and attention, and promote overall well-being. 11. The butterfly effect suggests that small, seemingly insignificant events can have far-reaching consequences and impact the course of future events. 12. Our brains are wired to respond more strongly to negative experiences and emotions than to positive ones, known as the negativity bias. 13. People tend to have a stronger emotional reaction to losses than to equivalent gains, a phenomenon called loss aversion. 14. The Hawthorne effect refers to the phenomenon where individuals modify their behavior when they are aware of being observed, often resulting in improved performance or productivity. 15. The self-fulfilling prophecy occurs when our beliefs or expectations about a person or situation lead us to act in ways that make those beliefs or expectations come true. 16. Our memories are not like fixed recordings but are reconstructed and influenced by our current thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, leading to potential distortions. 17. Cognitive biases are systematic errors in thinking that can affect our judgment and decision-making, leading to irrational or illogical choices. 18. The mere exposure effect suggests that repeated exposure to something or someone can lead to increased liking or preference for them. 19. The human brain is wired for storytelling. We are more likely to remember information when it is presented in a narrative or story format. 20. Confirmation bias leads us to seek, interpret, and remember information in a way that confirms our pre-existing beliefs or biases while disregarding contradictory information.